I'm going to be revealing to you two profitable scalping strategies that will blow your mind. Now, this is not the regular ICT or market structure that you are used to. This is based on liquidity. Now, I'm going to explain briefly to you what liquidity is. Liquidity is more like the fuel that moves the market. In other words, for you to say a market is liquid, it basically means that every asset can easily be converted into cash, can easily be sold, it can easily be transacted. That is what liquidity is. Now, for you to become profitable, you need to understand where the liquidity is resting in the market. Now, when you understand how liquidity moves and how it enables you to become the trader you ought to be, then your journey has started. You begin to see the market not from a perspective of a retail trader or someone who trades chart patterns, but someone who waits for liquidity to enter or to be taken out of the market. And that is the reason I want to show you today this amazing strategy that will make you profitable. Now, the first thing we want to do is go over to my trading view and let's see how we can actually identify where liquidity is resting or where liquidity is being taken out of the market. Stick with me to the very end of this video. Don't go nowhere because this is going to be a game changer for you right now. So let's go, guys. You can see this is STX USDT. I was able to catch this trade right from here. All right. I was able to catch this trade right from here. And I took my profit exactly here. Now, here's the major thriller. How can we catch and know and identify where liquidity is rested in the market? It's very simple. First things first, I would want to delete all of these drawings and just illustrate to you what liquidity is and how you can begin to take advantage of these things. Now, I'm using my phone basically. I'm using my phone basically to just show you guys. Now, we want to see price doing this, making consecutive highs and lows. Now, we want to see price break out of this range low. We want to see price break out of this range low, come down, and then go back again. Then finally coming back to retest. Now, this right here is going to make you a whole lot of money because this strategy works almost on all pairs. All right, from Bitcoin to Ethereum to basically all the coins. All right, now you can see we have a range low there, and you can see we also have a range high right here, right? Amazing. We have a range low and we also have a range high. Now, here's the amazing part of it. The moment this point is taken out, here is what we call an inducement. Why? Because when price came back here, a lot of traders would believe that price wants to reverse back into this range high. So they are going to put their stop losses here. Now, the stop loss is what is called the liquidity. The stop loss of retail traders is regarded as liquidity. When you understand this simple concept, it becomes very easy for you to trade any market, whether it is crypto, forex, stocks, whatever it is you want to trade. The moment you understand how liquidity works, trading becomes fun. But trust me, over time, it will become boring because you may eventually become too profitable. All right. And that's basically the stage every trader anticipates to achieve. All right. Now, price has gotten here. We have a pool of stop losses just resting here. So we have a pool of stop losses resting here. I'm just going to illustrate that to the Naira sign. So all our stop losses are resting there. Now, the moment these stop losses are taken out, liquidity has entered, meaning people who actually understand, or what I don't want to call them smart, but they actually engineer this market, the framework of the market order flow. All right, but we can actually call them smart money. All right, they now have the propensity to buy at cheaper rates because your stop losses have been triggered here. So they now buy and initiate with large orders. It is those large orders now that creates what we now call a change of character. If there are no large orders, character of the market is not going to change. So we will now have a change of character somewhere around there. And eventually, price will come back towards retest this other block and then begin to move. And then we see price moving to the upside. This is how this market works. Now, if I flip this chart upside down now, I've just successfully flipped this chart. Can you see it? In a sell scenario, you want to see price doing this, coming here, creating some sort of inducement, making sellers to feel that price wants to fall, and then eventually price goes up again, takes out all the liquidity here, breaks structure and creates a change of character, and then we go back to this other block, and then price eventually starts falling. So let me switch back to this, and I'm just going to actually just cancel all these drawings so that you see the nature of the market. Now let's identify what we have done. Let me show you again here to show you that this actually works and it plays out most of the time. Can you see? Can you see this? Can you identify this? Good. What happened next? Price swept all the liquidity resting below here, took everyone out, and then it created a change of character. And what happened next? Price came back to retest this level. Came back to retest that level. And then started flying from here towards take profit at this extreme high. And this was where I took my profit from. So basically, understanding how the manipulation phase occurs, how the smart money enters the market by tricking retail traders into believing that the price wants to move, by inducing them to go into the trades earlier than they should have not, or rather earlier than they should have. Basically, that is how the market will continue to move. They trick you into believing that the market wants to move up. You enter quickly because you are impatient. You are chasing the market rather than letting the market go back to a point of interest. And then price just begins to do its thing. So guys, this is basically how you can become profitable by simply following these few steps that I have given out to you. One love, guys. Peace out. I'm going to be dropping more videos back to back. So do well, subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on anything, guys.